Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. My name is Jay. I'm with Stier Arms in Johnston City, Illinois. This is my first video I'm posting, and hopefully it's a good one for y'all. There's been a lot of talk about custom AK work, whether you send something to Rifle Dynamics or you send something to Krebs or the AK guy. There's a lot of debate whether it's worth it or not. So I'm here to give you my opinion of what I think. This here is my personal Arsenal 107 FR with plum furniture. I'm about to send this off to Rifle Dynamics to have them work their magic to see if this can actually improve what's already a really good AK. So this is pretty much stock with the exception of an ALG Ultimate trigger, which was recently installed. Installed a Magpul plum furniture set, which happens to match the original plum furniture really well. So I was pretty impressed with how close the match was. Also, on the opposite side here, we have a Krebs custom safety. Here is the model. Overall, everything again is stock with those exceptions. Now, I'm going to go ahead and take a weight on this. Supposedly, when you send it off to Rifle Dynamics, they'll put their custom gas block on, and they will go ahead and deburr everything and tune it, basically. They say you can save about 1 pound off the front end. They're going to shorten the barrel. They're going to put their gas block on, which this one is going to be their new adjustable gas block. So I'm kind of excited to see what that's like. They're going to put their normal or regular PWS brake that comes with most of all their rifles. That'll go on the front end of this. And then the paint, we're going to go ahead and put a black satin on this. I wanted to try to keep it close to what it already is. So let's go ahead and see about getting a weight on this rifle, and we'll see where she sits. Alright, so I got it on the scale. So right here, the rifle is weighing in approximately 7.4 pounds. Alright, so besides getting the work done, what I want to do as well is I'm going to take this to the range, and we're going to sight this rifle in, and we're going to see the accuracy. What we want to see is when it comes back from Rifle Dynamics, is there an improvement at all with the accuracy? I generally run 124 grain through my AKs. Some guys like the 122s, some guys like 123s. 124 Tula full metal jacket is what I'll be running. Tomorrow is supposed to be a decent day weather-wise. Again, when this rifle comes back, more than likely the weather conditions are going to change. So for all you guys who are out there who are going to debate whether or not the testing is going to be dead on accurate with conditions and humidity and whatnot, it's probably not going to be. But the idea is just to show you at, say, 100 yards, how is it performing now, and what's it performing like when we get it back. So I will be at the range on the next video set. Thanks for watching. Alright, here we are. We're at the range today. It's about 44 degrees. No breeze, sunny, beautiful day to shoot. We're going to go ahead and get this rifle on paper. We're going to use reeds from Valor Ridge's recommendations of 100 yard zero. I will be using Tula 124 grain, and let's see what you can do. Alright, so here's where we're at. So this is my target at 100 yards, 124 grain Tula. This was offhand. This one here was off the bench using the blocks. 124 grain. Looks like I threw one low. But overall they're decent. They're not bad. The rifle itself has got a little bit, I'll see if you can get in there and see that. It's off just a little bit to the left. So it does have a slight offset there. Alright, so overall this is the pre-rifle dynamics test. Again, it's a nice day, little wind. They take about 45 to 60 days for the rifle to be returned from the shop.